You got the lens cover. You know that?
It's bored.
That's why I can't get nothing.
Oh my god.
I was thinking, man, what did I do to this thing? I broke it.
She can't figure out why she can't see now the lens cover was funny.
Well guys, as you can see, Fred is in. It's raining. Tropical Storm Gordon is wreaking havoc on us, but that is the header that I put in. We filmed doing it. I'll throw some of that in here, but show. Well, I might be able to show it. That is it. The post, the actual 4x4 post that was holding the center is right there. And we laid 2x12 here, down there, and then Sam's another 2x12 on this side. And then ran lags through it. And right through here. Get up here. Through right here, yes, they're very long. That's a miscalculation, but it's what we got. So, Fred is in here. You can see, not a lot of room, but it does fit. Sticks out, I don't know, about 8 feet maybe. It all really sticks out. All the rest is under roof. We've got like 6 inches of rain. It's been crazy. That is about how close right there. But I knew it would be tight. But the problem is the gate, when I'm backing in, I know I'm swinging it fast, I'm sorry, but it's raining. This gate is offset that way. So where I'm backing in is actually over this way. So I had to come in on an angle and kick it around, so back in for the camera gets wet. And then go back here. But that is a mess right there. It's going to dry up this week and we will be able to clean all of that up. You can see it sinking where the rain was in. But the 50 amp works, the water works. Fred is sticking out just a little bit. But you come in here, and it's good and dry. The only problem I'm having is that compartment right there. I can't get open all the way. I get in it enough because of this post. And then that post is going to stop that, and the same thing on the other side. But kind of knew that coming in. So there he is in all his glory. And like I said, it is raining like crazy. We have just so much mud. My axles are kind of on solid ground. This one is. The other one's, it's packed, but mud over there. But it'll be fine. So, there you have it. This week we're going to try to straighten up all this stuff and get it somewhat organized. We're only going to be here a few weeks, so there you have it. I'll throw in some footage of myself and my son taking and putting that header up and taking that center post down and backing old Fred in. So
Can we cut this? Oh, we need this board, don't we?
we need the bottom board, but you can cut the heck out of that lattice.
They're in it.
I know, but I just make
Yeah.
sure there ain't no loose ones.
Shit,
What's up?
Yeah.
What's that one instructor thing?
They
Sure that wasn't a brace?
No.
Oh no, it was. It goes on the outside of that one. I'd leave that one though.
Where you got your
Well, I'm not messing
deed.
with anything up there. Move us that way.
All right. The lattice is down. Looks like we got a couple stragglers there. They'll get that taken care of though, I'm sure. Came down pretty easy. Okay.
Right here, right?
It has begun.
Yeah, but this board is only to right here. Hope this ain't too rounded up.
Yeah, we're working hard.
Flip it.
I got a bigger one.
Get right here.
Hey, I'm gonna leave this run. I'm going to close the windows and stuff.
I go right here. That is right beside that. What do you think?
I think it'll be good. All the nails are on the inside. All the nails are on the your right. Make sure you don't walk. That should eat pretty good. You got your what? Put on the grill.
Go straight. That. Don't need it.
I was gonna say it's a half inch hole.
So right here, I should get through it, right?
Yeah, you can actually go to the right. You can center it up on that board. There's nothing on the other side.
Right there?
There you go. Very easy.
I knew there'd be one.
Yeah. I don't know where your hammer's at. Unless it's up there.
I'm gonna use my deck off on it. We can worship the heck out of it.
You only got that one?
No, I don't want it. Whoa, whoa. What do you think? Can you see them? Oh, they all got them.
I'm going to do the bottom first.
Okay, can you see it? Stay straight. See, you go up your, oh, you're pretty right. You're going that way. Bring your right hand to the right one. There you go. If it gets, sometimes you got back out to get the crap out of it. That'll cut it. Okay.
I figured, but I didn't think I seen the end of the drill bit.
Yeah, there's a walking.
Sticking out of that floor.
Boy's muddy shoe.
What, buddy? I am at Minimal Papa's new camper spot. Because they need help. Okay, I'll let you know we're almost done and you can come out here. It goes, why? Because they need help. Are you pretty square over there?
I'm as slam tight as I can get. Knock it towards me if you can, hand. There you go. Dude, I Googled.
They had to work together to get this one done.
I Googled. George, look at these.
I'm busy.
I Googled. Is it holding it?
Yeah.
The head snap.
Now that the hole's all ready, he's going to be backing old Fred in. Mike and I are supposed to be helping him. Guess I better
guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, Instagram, Facebook. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.